The free antivirus you're looking for. Powerful protection and performance for your PC and beyond. Free download. See all features. 2020 top-rated product. Compatible with Windows 10. What problem can we help you solve? Or solve everything quickly and easily with AVG Ultimate. Protect me from viruses and hackers. Choose. Keep what I do totally private. Choose. Free up space and speed up my devices. Choose. AVG Internet Security. Protect what's yours with Internet Security. What's yours is yours, and we keep it that way. Our new webcam protection and ransomware protection features make sure no one can use your built-in camera or change your files without your permission. Discover more. Avg Antivirus for Android. Smartphone, safe phone. Avg Antivirus for Android guards your mobile phone against malware attacks and threats to your privacy. We give you on-the-go protection against unsafe apps, anti-theft locker and tracker, and plenty more security and performance features. Discover more. Avg TuneUp. Faster, cleaner, clever PC. Avg TuneUp is your one-screen suite that makes your PC run faster, smoother, and longer, just how you like it. New software uninstaller removes bloatware and adware taking up space on your PC, giving you more memory for the things you really care about. Discover more. Avg Secure VPN. Untrackable, unhackable, unbreakable secure VPN. Connect boldly to public Wi-Fi with our bank-grade, 256-bit AES encryption. We keep all your online activity private and away from hackers, nosy neighbors and curious agencies. And it doesn't hurt that you can access your favorite content worldwide. Discover more. For your business, safety first. Give your small and medium business the security it needs. From antivirus and spyware protection to data transaction and file server security, our Business Edition products have all the features your business needs to survive and thrive beyond cyber threats. Protect your business. Mobile Antivirus. Advanced smartphone protection against viruses, spyware and thieves. Learn more. Ultimate protection. All-in-one antivirus, tune-up and privacy for all your family's devices. Learn more. Business Antivirus. Premium protection and privacy for your small business. Learn more. World-class protection. We've added 25 new accolades in the past 2 years to the hundreds we have won since we started in 1991. Our top marks means you know you're in good hands. 2020 top-rated product. 2020 excellent. 2020 top-rated product. Get expert advice on security, privacy, and device performance. See all articles. Slide 1 to 3 of 9. How to get rid of a virus and other malware on your PC and Mac. No need to stress over virus or spyware removal. We'll show you how to quickly and easily get rid of any malware from your PC, Mac, or laptop. Read more. How to speed up and clean up your PC. From small tweaks to powerful software tools and hardware upgrades, learn how to clean up and speed up your computer for faster performance. Read more. The Ultimate Guide to Virtual Private Networks, VPN. Virtual Private Network, VPN, explained. Discover what it is, how to use VPN, and why you might need one. We'll also help you choose a VPN service. Read more. Whatever devices you use, AVG has you covered. Download free antivirus.